Osaka, known as the kitchen of Japan. This is the destination to eat some of Japan's most delicious food. It's also a very convenient travel base for cities like Kyoto, Kobe, and Nara. But hold on, where exactly are you staying in Osaka? If you pick the wrong area, you may end up booking a hotel that is inconvenient for your family. Plus, you'll just feel like you are stuck in a concrete jungle.
But don't worry, today we're giving you our top 5 areas to stay in Osaka. I am Lisa, your Travel Smart Japan navigator.
And this video is directed by our founder, who is an Osaka local. So, you're watching the right video to help you make decisions accurately. We will tell you why those 5 areas are the best, and also which areas you should avoid. Let's go! Here are the 5 best areas to stay in Osaka. Number 1. Umeda, or Osaka Station City. The modern hub, this is the number 1 in both convenience and quality. If you plan to travel to Kyoto, Kobe, Nara anytime during your stay, this is the easiest option. Number 2. Namba and Shinsaibashi. The heart of Osaka, where you can experience the vibrancy of the city. Number 3. Kitahama and Nakanoshima. The calm, elegant side of Osaka, perfect for enjoying history and riverside views. Number 4. Tenma and Kyobashi. Close to Osaka Castle, with cherry blossom views and delicious local food. Number 5. Shin-Osaka. The strategic base that doesn't waste a single minute. And we will explain why those options are great before rating them based on factors like accessibility. How easy is it to go to other parts of Osaka or to other cities from that area? Walkability. How enjoyable is it just to walk around the area? And finally, comfort. How calm is it? And how easy it is to find places to eat and shop? This is how we pick these areas. So you can experience all that Osaka has to offer, without feeling like you are stuck in the middle of a concrete jungle. But here is the main reason why we picked those 5 areas. Because they are connected to at least one of Osaka's most convenient train lines. There are 2 important lines. First is the Midosuji line, or the Red Line. It's a straight route that runs from north to south. Here you can find major stations like Shin-Osaka, the Shinkansen station, and other stations like Umeda and Namba, with direct access to Kansai airport. The second is the Osaka Loop line. Like its name, this line is actually a circle which connects many of the city's major sightseeing spots, including Osaka Castle. And Nishikuju Station, which is a transfer point for Universal Studios Japan. Now, the golden rule is to pick an accommodation within a 5-minute walk from any of these 2 lines. This is so you and your family won't get tired from walking, even before you start exploring the city. Umeda is one of the biggest train terminals in Japan, and also the oldest. With a few metro lines, several private rails, and GR Osaka Station, this district is called Osaka Station City, and also Kita, meaning north. Apart from convenience and many options for food and shopping, this area was not a good choice for first-time visitors who want a calmer place to stay. But thanks to Grand Green Osaka, which was newly opened in 2024, you can feel refreshing nature in the middle of the city. You can also find promising luxury hotels, right in the center of Umeda. Umeda, or Osaka Station City, is one of the best connected areas you can stay in. And it is only a 4-minute ride from Shin-Osaka Station, the bullet train station, where you can take Shinkansen to other cities like Tokyo, Fukuoka, and Hiroshima. From here, you also get direct access to nearby cities like Kyoto and Kobe, which takes 30 minutes, and Nara in 50 minutes. Access to Kansai Airport is also easy, with direct train services between Osaka Station and the airport, either by the GR Haruka Express or the Airport Rapid Service. This is a great area for travelers who want comfort and efficiency. You'll find luxury hotels, high-end department stores, and many Michelin-star restaurants. If you want a high-end, low-stress stay where shopping, food, and transportation are all close together, the Umeda and Kita area is for you. If you want to feel the lively energy of Osaka, this is the area for you. Shinsaibashi is one of the city's best areas for shopping. It has many shopping arcades, with both high-end brands and second-hand stores. It also has easy access to Dotonbori, Osaka's famous entertainment district, known for its neon lights and street food. Namba is just south of Shinsaibashi and is the heart of Osaka's Minami, or south area. It's where you'll find Osaka's famous neon lights, food culture, and busy nightlife. It has so many shopping and food options like, of course, Dotonbori. Even if crowded areas are usually not for you, if you are in Osaka to eat, then this area is still worth it for first-time visitors. Just like Kuidaore Taro, the mascot of Dotonbori, but also Namba. He truly captures the spirit of to eat until you drop. Just be careful of scammers, like customer pullers, who drag you to restaurants that overcharge you. Please, think of Dotonbori as Osaka's Shinjuku. There is a lot of fun things to do here. Just pay attention to your surroundings. But if you want to experience the retro streets of Osaka, Shinsekai is even better. Shinsaibashi and Namba are very convenient thanks to the Midasuji line. This connects you directly to Umeda, Shin-Osaka Station, where you can ride the Shinkansen, and Namba in the south. Namba is one of the best bases in Osaka for airport access and private railway connection. From Namba, you can take the Nankai Rapid directly to Kansai Airport in as little as 34 minutes. You also have convenient direct rail access toward Nara on Kintetsu and toward Kobe on Hanshin. So, in exchange for big crowds, by staying in this area, you get convenience. Shinsaibashi and Namba is one of the best areas for travelers who want Osaka's most famous sightseeing spots. Food and shopping all in one place. And if you find this area too touristy, you can always go to Horie. It is just a 5-minute walk from this area. Horie's Orange Street is a refreshing change from Dotonbori. It's a quieter neighborhood that is perfect for shopping, relaxing at a cafe, and taking leisurely strolls. So, staying in Namba doesn't always mean being stuck in the overrated side of Osaka. Kitahama and Nakanoshima feel more relaxed than Osaka's busy tourist districts. In fact, it's probably the most refined part of Osaka. Kitahama used to be known as Japan's Wall Street, while Nakanoshima is known for its riverside scenery and historic Western-style buildings. This area is a great fit if you prefer quiet mornings, classic architecture, and a more elegant atmosphere. One of the biggest advantages of staying here is direct access to Kyoto on the Keihan Railway. From Kitahama or nearby Yodobashi, you can head straight toward eastern Kyoto, including Gion Shijo in Kiyomizu Gojo, which is very useful for Kyoto day trips. You can also walk 3 minutes from Kitahama to Yodobashi Station on the Midasuji line for access to major stations like Shin-Osaka, Umeda, and Namba. From either Kitahama or Nakanoshima, transfer at Kyobashi Station for the Osaka Loop Line, which takes you to Osaka Castle, and Universal Studios Japan. This is a good area for travelers who want to escape the busy tourist zones and enjoy a slower, more local side of central Osaka. You can walk along the river and cherry blossom-lined streets, and enjoy places like Nakanoshima Park, the Rose Garden, and nearby historic public buildings. Tenma and Kyobashi are right next to Osaka Castle. They are great if you want a more local and quieter side of Osaka, while still staying close to major sites. Around Tenma, you can experience the energy of everyday Osaka, including Tenjinbashi Suji Shopping Street, the longest shopping street in Japan. This area is the best area to eat authentic Osaka food. For more details, check out our video Eat and Walk Osaka. So, stay in Tenma if you want to try all those delicious foods. Around Kyobashi, you can experience the calm of Osaka Castle Park and have a convenient trail base for your day trips. Kyobashi is especially convenient because it connects to both the GR Osaka Loop line and the Keihan Railway. This means you can easily reach major sightseeing spots like Osaka Castle and Tsuruhashi, Osaka's Korean town, if you want to eat delicious yakiniku. You can also go directly to central Kyoto without transfers via Keihan. This area is a good choice if you want direct access to Kyoto, but also greenery, seasonal attractions, and eat in neighborhoods that feel more local than Umeda or Namba. In spring, the Japan Mint Bureau's famous Cherry Blossom Passage is one of the area's biggest highlights. Shin-Osaka is the best area to stay if your trip is centered around Shinkansen rides. This is Osaka's bullet train station, so it's convenient for travelers arriving from or continuing on to cities like Tokyo, Hiroshima, and Kanazawa. Rather than a sightseeing district, Shin-Osaka is more of a smart, low-stress transportation base. If you're only staying in Osaka for 1 or 2 nights, Shin-Osaka can be extremely practical. You can step off the Shinkansen and get to your hotel quickly without dragging luggage across the city. It's also on the Midosuji line, which gives you direct access to Umeda, Shinsaibashi, and Namba. The biggest advantage here is convenience. Staying near Shin-Osaka saves time, reduces transfers, and makes early departures much easier, especially if you have heavy luggage or traveling with family. The station itself also has useful services like tourist information, food, shopping, and baggage facilities. It's not the most exciting area to stay in, but for a short and efficient Osaka stop, it's one of the easiest choices. You can find some of the cheapest accommodations south of Namba in Nishinari Ward, especially around the Kamagasaki area, and Tobita Shinchi. These locations are very convenient and can be good options for some budget travelers, but they may not be the best choice for everyone, especially families. Kamagasaki is associated with homelessness, and Tobita Shinchi is Osaka's largest red light district. Shooting with cameras is not allowed in this area, and women are not allowed to walk in Tobita Shinchi, out of respect for the workers. The atmosphere can feel rough around the edges, especially at night, and the surrounding streets may be less comfortable for families. Osaka is a safe city overall, but if safety, comfort, and neighborhood atmosphere matter more to you than the price, it's usually better to stay in 5 areas we recommend you instead. And now, here are the hotels recommend in each of the 5 areas. For Umeda or Osaka Station, our first recommendation is the Ritz-Carlton Osaka. It's right next to Osaka Station City, which makes it walkable from any metro or JR line. It's so close to the station, yet it allows you to stay away from the noise of the surrounding area. The high-rise hotel also gives you good views of Osaka's skyline, especially at night. We also recommend Hilton Osaka, which is directly connected to JR Osaka Station and nearby shopping malls via underground walkways. It's very affordable for a 5-star hotel, with comfortable and scenic rooms. This hotel is perfect if you're looking for quality and convenience at a reasonable price. Swissôtel Nankai Osaka is located directly above Namba station, which means it gives you direct train service to the airport and also Nara. Other than that, it's a luxurious, high-rise building with stunning city views from the rooms and restaurants. Plus, it allows you to stay away from the noisiness of Namba. The Riga Royal Hotel Osaka is located in the middle of Nakanoshima. You get beautiful night views of the financial district of Kitahama and also of the 2 rivers surrounding the island. You get free shuttle bus pick-up and drop-off between Osaka Station and the hotel. It is also directly connected underground to Nakanoshima Station. And since the station is the first stop of the Keihan Nakanoshima line, which can take you to Kyoto, you'll always find seats on the train. From Hotel New Otani Osaka, you can clearly see the night illumination at Osaka Castle, which occurs year-round, as well as the Tenjinbashi Bridge fireworks display every July, where 3,000 fireworks are launched over the Okawa River. In spring, you can enjoy walking between the cherry blossom trees at Osaka Castle Park. On the other hand, the Imperial Hotel Osaka is close to the Mint Museum, where you can walk underneath a tunnel of cherry blossoms. It's also across the river from Kema Sakuranomiya Park, another one of Osaka's most scenic cherry blossom viewing spots. You can also enjoy views of the fireworks display at Tenjinbashi Bridge from this hotel. Courtyard by Marriott Shin-Osaka Station is directly connected to Shin-Osaka Station, making it the most practical choice if you're staying in this area. It's known for its spacious and clean rooms, which are also quiet despite being near the tracks, and will give you a good night rest. To sum up, you should pick a hotel close to either the Midosuji line or the Osaka Loop line. The best areas to stay in are Umeda or Osaka Station City, Namba and Shinsaibashi, Kitahama and Nakanoshima, Tenma and Kyobashi, and finally Shin-Osaka. While the areas you should avoid are Kamagasaki and Tobita Shinchi in Nishinari Ward. If you're going to Tokyo and also confused where to stay, check out our video Where Should You Stay in Tokyo? If this video was helpful, like and share it, and subscribe to Travel Smart Japan for more practical guides like this.